I'm Kennedy. I'm in your physical science class from 12 to 12:50 on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And today we'll be doing the Lab 2 Scavenger Hunt. The first thing is for my food example, I'm going to look for a solid. I'm going to look around in my kitchen, see what I can find. So, I got an apple. That's a solid because it's something I can physically hold on to. It doesn't, I can hold it, throw it, eat it, whatever. So the next thing I'm gonna be looking for is a liquid. That's kind of easy, but I'm gonna go into my room and see what I can find. In my fridge I got, well, here's an example of liquid, water. The reason it's a liquid is because you can't hold on to water. It's got to physically be in a container or something. You can't hold on to the water itself. So that's two of them. Go back here and find my list again. The next thing I'm looking for is a heterogeneous mixture. See what I can find. I'm sure there's something in the cabinet or something. And what I'm looking for that is something that's mixed together. It's got different types of foods that don't normally go together, but you can mix together for something. That'll work. Package of trail mix. That's different types of things that go together in a bag that usually don't go together. Now I'm going to look for a homogeneous mixture, and my example of that was salt and water. So I'm going to get a cup, fill it with some water, and then I might get a little salt. Salt shaker. And you can watch it go in. And then you also watch it dissolve. That's the reason I chose salt in water, because this mixture with salt, it's a solvent. So when you put it in the water, it doesn't look like a mixture, but it actually is. My example of aerosol, that mixture, I got whipped butter. The reason I chose that is because what aerosol is, that type of food, it's when you put it on something, it's very easy to do. It doesn't really do anything with the prep of it. It's easy to fix on it. Then I got a suspension. That's like a mixture that you can see bits and pieces and other stuff with it. So I was going to use Italian dressing, but didn't have any of that. So I found some Thousand Island, and you can see bits and pieces of tomato or cucumber, whatever that is in there that didn't mix all together that it's supposed to, but you can see it in there, and that makes that a suspension. And then emulsion. Get back in my fridge here. There we go. Some mayonnaise. The reason that is a emulsion is because it's stuff that doesn't usually go together that has a emulsifier in it that makes it stick together. Kind of like vinegar and oil. The oil would go on top of the water unless it has something in there to make it stay together. So those are all my examples of food examples of the properties, and I gave you the reasons why. So we'll see you next week. Thank you.